Hi students, welcome to DSR Maths. In this video, we will discuss about the domain of the function involving the trigonometric functions. In that first problem, I taken f of x equal to root sin x plus root of 16 minus x square. For that, finding the domain of this function, what we have to take domain of this function and domain of this function, intersection of the two is required domain of the given function. Domain of the required function, for finding that one, first you take, we know that under root value sin x greater than or equal to 0, right? Means nothing but, so like this, if you take the sin x graph 0 here point, so in this area if you take greater than or equal to 0, so sin x is greater than or equal to 0 means 0 less than or equal to x less than or equal to pi means. So is there only one interval where sin x is greater than or equal to 0 means 0 to pi? No, infinitely many intervals are there. So how to find all that intervals? By taking the what period of the sin x. So what is the period of the sin x? 2 pi. Because, so if you take like this here minus 2 pi to 0, and what is the graph is there? 0 to 2 pi also same. So like that every 2 pi length graph repeats. So that's why, so we have to add 2n pi plus 0, 2n pi less than or equal to x less than or equal to 2n pi plus pi. Means here n belongs to integers. If n equal to 0, if you take this interval you will get. N equal to 1, one more interval. N equal to 2 means like that all the intervals where sin x greater than or equal to 0 you will get. Okay, no? Now see here n equal to 0, suppose if you take 0 less than or equal to x less than or equal to pi. N equal to 1 means here 2 pi less than or equal to x less than or equal to 3 pi means like this, if you take here 2 pi is there and here 3 pi is there, so 2 pi to 3 pi also sin x greater than or equal to 0 only. Suppose n equal to minus 1, if you take here minus 2 pi less than or equal to x less than or equal to minus 2 pi plus pi is minus pi means here minus 2 pi to minus pi also it is greater than or equal to 0 only, right? Next come to this one, 16 minus x square greater than or equal to 0, 16 greater than or equal to x square, modulus x greater than or equal to 4, minus 4 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 4. So this has equation number 1, this has equation number 2. How to take the intersection of these two? Here only single condition is there, but here many conditions are there. So for that, like this we have to take. So here minus 4 is there, here plus 4 between 0, right? Now to take the common values, here 0 to pi, here 0, pi means 3.14, here anywhere pi, and minus 2 pi to minus pi means here minus 2 pi, here minus pi, minus 3.14. So here one interval is there, this one also we have to take, because here in this interval also sin x greater than or equal to 0, and 0 to 2 pi, 0 to pi also sin x greater than or equal to 0, and one more, if you take n equal to 2, if you take 2 means 4 pi and 4 pi plus pi, 5 pi, 4 pi 5 pi means we won't get the common values with this one, so that's why no need to take. So where you will get the common values with this one, that means intervals from this one we have to take. Now this one you take, that is closed interval 4 to 4. Now what are the common values? Observe, these are the common values, here to here and here to here, means x belongs to closed interval minus 4 to minus pi union closed interval 0 to pi. So this is a required domain of the given function. Okay, no? Right. This is the First problem. Next, take the second problem. That is second one, solve. Here inequality they given sin x greater than minus 1 by 2. Same problem in suppose if they want to ask in domain, in terms of domain, like this they'll ask, find the domain of f of x equal to 1 by 1 plus 2 sin x under root 1 by under root 1 plus 2 sin x. So like this they will ask. Means once you observe, find the, suppose they asking here like this, find the domain of the function f of x equal to 1 by root of 1 plus 2 sin x. We know that under root value always greater than or equal to 0, but this under root in denominator. So that's why definitely 1 plus sin x, 1 plus 2 sin x greater than 0 only, no? Now that implies sin x greater than minus 1 by 2. Means nothing but we have to solve this one only or not. So like this also they will ask, or like this also. Both are same only. Right? It is inequality. Now for that what I will take? Y1 equal to sin x, one function I will take. Y2 equal to minus 1 by 2, second function I will take. Okay, no? Now these two graphs we have to take. So x axis, y axis. Like this we have to take graphs of sin x. Like this. This is minus pi, 0, pi and 2 pi. Here minus 2 pi. Like this if you take here pi by 2 and here minus pi by 2. Right? Next y equal to minus 1 by 2 graph. So here this is 1 and this is minus 1. So y2 equal to minus 1 by 2. Minus 1 by 2 means like this you will get. This is minus 1 by 2. Like this you will get minus. So this is y equal to minus 1 by 2. So it is intersecting the graph so many times. Many times where, so this one and this one intersect many points. But one interval we have to take. For that, once you observe, here these two are intersecting and here also these two are intersecting, right? But what is the point here? Y equal to minus, here minus 1 by 2 and sin x. Observe these two. So this is minus pi by 6 only, no? Because sin minus pi by 6 equal to minus 1 by 2. And here after pi, because here to here sin positive only. So 210 degrees means 7 pi by 6. 210, 180 plus 30, third quadrant, minus sin 30, minus 1 by 2. Okay, now? So sin x greater than minus 1 by 2 solutions you want. Greater than 1 by 2 means these. These are the points greater than minus 1 by 2. So here minus pi by 6 less than x less than 7 pi by 6. So like this, is there only one interval where sin x greater than minus 1 by 2? No, infinitely many intervals are there. But how to find all that intervals? With the help of period of the sin x, right? Now here also, what is the period of sin x? 2 pi, right? So 2n pi minus pi by 6 less than x less than 2n pi plus 7 pi by 6. Here n belongs to integers. Here in this one, n equal to all the integers if you take all the intervals where sin x greater than minus 1 by 2 you will get. Okay, no? Now this is the simplest form and this is the generalized form, right? Now this is our required domain of the given function where sin x greater than minus 1 by 2. Okay, right? Now based on these inequalities, different models problems they will give. So all the problems we have to discuss in this video. So for that take the third problem, that is so here they given f of x equal to sin inverse of 3 by 4 plus 2 sin x. So here also what they asking, domain of the given function asking. Find the domain of this function. But we know that it is in the form of cos inverse of x. This x should be in between minus 1 to plus 1 or not. Then only cos inverse exists. So in place of x what is there? This total is there. So that's why minus 1 less than or equal to 3 by 4 plus 2 sin x less than or equal to plus 1. Now cross multiplication, because here see it is positive only. So when we are multiplying this side and this side, we have to observe it is positive or not. See 4 plus 2 sin x. Sin x is exist minus 1 to plus 1. So minus 1 to plus 1, between these any value in place of x you take, so definitely it is positive only, no? So that's why this value is positive value, greater than 0 value. So that's why, so clear means easily you can multiply like this, minus 4 minus 2 sin x less than or equal to 3 less than or equal to 4 plus 2 sin x. Now first you take this one. Minus 4 minus 2 sin x less than or equal to 3. This one take this side, this one this side. Minus 4 minus 3 less than or equal to 2 sin x. Minus 7 less than or equal to 2 sin x. That implies sin x greater than or equal to minus 7 by 2. But is it belongs to minus 1 to 1? No, it is does not belongs to minus 1 to 1. So in this case, for this inequality there is no solutions, right? Now come to this one. So what is that? 3 less than or equal to 4 plus 2 sin x. So minus 1 less than or equal to 2 sin x. Now sin x greater than or equal to minus 1 by 2. So for this one solutions we have to find, right? Now that is take the graph same like previous problem. Here also this is y1 and this is y2. This is sin x graph. This is y1 equal to sin x, and this is if you take this one, this is y equal to minus 1 by 2. Sin x greater than or equal to minus 1 by 2, same as previous problem. So greater than or equal to means here minus pi by 6, right? Here 7 pi by 6. What is the difference between previous problem and this problem? Here equal to previous problem not there. Here equal is there. Means minus pi by 6 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 7 pi by 6 is what? Simplest form. So means one interval where sin x greater than or equal to minus 1 by 2. But many intervals are there where sin x greater than or equal to minus 1 by 2. So to find all the intervals, what we have to take with the help of period of the sin x. That is period of the sin x is 2 pi now. So that's why 2n pi minus pi by 6 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 2n pi plus 7 pi by 6. N belongs to integer. This is the generalized form where sin x greater than or equal to minus 1 by 2. Okay, no? So this is the domain of the required function, right? So indirectly what they asking, domain of cos inverse of, like that asking. So if you simplify, what you got, this one only you got. Okay, no? Next, take the fourth problem. So all these problems are most important. So here one more problem they given. Solve the inequality or find the domain of, like that they will ask, sin x greater than or equal to 1 by 2. Previous problem is greater than or equal to minus 1 by 2. Now this problem is greater than or equal to 1 by 2. Here x values we are finding, means nothing but we are finding the domain only, right? So for this here also, this one you take as y and y1 this as y2. So y1 equal to sin x graph and y2 equal to 1 by 2 graph. Take the graph, sin x graph. Like this. So this is y equal to 1 by 2 asking, no? So previous one is minus 1 by 2. This is 1 by 2. Means like this. Here. Means y equal to 1 by 2. This is y equal to sin x graph. So here it is 1 is there. Right? Because sin x graph is exist from where to where, minus 1 to plus 1. This is y equal to 1 by 2. Right? Now, so sin x greater than or equal to minus 1 by 2. Means here some points, if you take minus pi, here minus pi by 2, 0, here pi by 2, here pi, like this if you take, greater than or equal to 1 by 2, means this one, right? Means one interval we are taking. So by that one we are generalizing the what given means this interval as generalized interval. How to take? By with the help of what? Given function period. Now here to here it is sin x greater than or equal to minus 1 by 2, means including this one. Means here what you will get? Pi by 6, because sin pi by 6 is 1 by 2, and here 5 pi by 6 because less than pi is there. 5 pi by 6, 150, 150 second quadrant sign positive, 180 minus 30, so sin 30, 1 by 2 only. So that's why pi by 6 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 5 pi by 6. This is the simplest solution. Now generalized solution means 2n pi plus pi by 6 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 2n pi plus 5 pi by 6. N belongs to integer. Understood? Means here also it is greater than or equal to 0, and here also greater than or equal to 1 by 2. Here also greater than or equal to, here also many intervals you will get. N equal to 0 if you substitute, pi by 6 to 5 pi by 6 you will get. N equal to 1 if you take, n equal to 1, here 2 pi plus pi by 6 less than or equal to x, n equal to 1, 2 pi plus 5 pi by 6. Simplify. So next interval you will get. Next n equal to minus 1 if you take, here minus means 11 pi by 6. This interval you will get. Means here to here. Minus 11 pi by 6 less than or equal to x less than or equal to minus 7 pi by 6. So here this interval you will get. Okay, no? So like this. So this is about the fourth problem. Next, take the fifth problem. That is solve the inequality cos x greater than minus 1 by 2. Cos x greater than minus 1 by 2. Here cos x function they given. Right. Here also y1 equal to cos x you take, y2 equal to minus 1 by 2 you take. Okay, no? And now, so x axis, y axis, this is the cos x graph like this. So here minus pi by 2, here plus pi by 2, here 3 pi by 2 means here pi, here 2 pi will get. Okay, no? Next, here minus pi, here minus 3 pi by 2. So this is 1, here it is minus 1. So two graphs are there, this one, where they are intersecting, that one you identify. So minus 1 by 2 given, no? So this is minus y equal to minus 1 by 2. Any one interval, either here or here, any one you take. For that one, 2n pi you add, because period of cos x also 2 pi. Because every 2 pi length, the graph is repeats, means values repeats. And now, period of cos x is 2 pi. So I will take this one. So here they are intersecting, no? Means, so greater than 1 by 2, no? Greater than means here I will take. Greater than minus 1 by 2 means here, here and here. Right? Means this is the required solution. Minus, here minus pi by 2 is there here. So definitely here minus 2 pi by 3 will be there. Here 2 pi by 3. Right? Because cos 2 pi by 3 minus 1 by 2. Cos of minus 2 pi by 3 also minus 1 by 2 only. Like that we have to identify. Now so what is the simplest solution? Minus 2 pi by 3 less than, strictly inequality is there, less than 2 pi by 3. Now if you generalize this one, 2n pi minus 2 pi by 3 less than x less than 2n pi plus 2 pi by 3. Okay, no? Here greater than is there, so that's why greater than minus 1 by 2. Where here? And here also there, but only this one I am taking for that one. So adding this one, then if you substitute in this one all the integers n equal to 1, 2, 3, all the intervals you will get where cos x greater than minus 1 by 2, right? So this is our required solution. Next, sixth problem. Take the sixth problem. That is, solve the inequality tan x less than or equal to minus 1. Here function is tan x, right? Now here also take y1 equal to tan x and y2 equal to 1. Two graphs where they are intersecting, that one you identify. Then simplest solution you have to take. Then you add period of that one. So we know that period of tan x equal to pi. In the periodicity we discussed. Because in the every length of pi, the graph is repeats, right? So take the graph of, means if you know graphs of all the trigonometric functions and periodicity, then this is very easy. So here at pi by 2, tan is does not exist, so that's why at pi by 2 minus pi by 2 also does not exist, right? Here 0. What is the graph of tan? This is the graph of tan, because we know that in trigonometry we discussed this 0, tan 0 is 0, tan 90 is plus or minus infinity, but this is plus infinity this side, because in second quadrant negative. So first quadrant decreasing 0 to infinity, so 0 to plus infinity, right? And here again 0, here plus or minus infinity, because here 270, again here 360, Here 180, tan 180 is 0. Here this is plus infinity, this is minus infinity. Now this is fourth quadrant, minus infinity to 0, right? Increasing only. So minus infinity to 0, 0 to infinity. Okay, no? Okay, this is the graph of what? Tan x. Not only here, here at a 3 pi by 2 also you will get 3 pi by 2. This is pi. So here also you will get, and here minus 3 pi by 2 you will get. This is minus 3 pi by 2. So here minus pi. So this is the graph of tan x. This is the graph of tan x. Now here y equal to 1 means like this. This is y equal to 1. Suppose here 1 is there. So it is intersecting here. So it is pi by 4. Right? Means tan x less than or equal to 1 asking. Tan x is less than or equal to 1. Less than or equal to 1 means all these. Means what is the simplest form? Minus pi by 2 less than x less than or equal to minus plus pi by 4. Right? Because this is open interval only, because here at pi by 2 tan minus pi by 2 tan does not exist. Means here to here. So here to here x value minus pi by 2 less than x less than or equal to pi by 4. In this interval tan x less than or equal to what? Minus 1. This is the simplest one. Sorry, tan x less than or equal to plus 1. So generalized form means n pi minus pi by 2 less than x less than or equal to n pi plus pi by 4. This is the generalized form. Here n belongs to integer because period of the tan x is pi. So multiply with n. Then all the intervals where tan x less than or equal to 1 you will get. Okay, no? So this is about the sixth problem. Once again listen. See here. So already we know that the graph of tan, right? If the how to draw the graph of the tan x, if you don't know means, so my video in trigonometry, graphs of the what trigonometric functions, once if you see, then you will get the clarity about the graphs of the tan x, right? So there I already explained how to draw the graphs of the tan x. Okay, no? Now this is tan x. This is y equal to 1. This is y equal to 1. So this is less than or equal to 1. So where to where minus pi by 2 to plus pi by 4, because here it is intersecting, and up to here where it is minus pi by 2. So here minus pi by 2, we can't take this value, so that's why open interval. And we can take, because here less than or equal to 1 is there, this one also you can take. It is intersecting where exactly, because tan pi by 4 is 1. Right, so that's why here pi by 4 you will get. So these are the values. Next. Next one is, take the next problem. Solve the inequality. Sin x greater than cos x. Once you see sin x greater than cos x, this is also important one. Here y1 equal to sin x and y2 equal to cos x. Both graphs we have to take. That is, see here. This is the sin x graph, right? So here minus pi, here 0, plus pi, here 2 pi, here 3 pi by 2, here pi by 2, here 1 minus 1. Next, So this is cos x graph, pi by 2 minus pi by 2. Here pi by 4, right? This is cos x graph, and this is the sin x graph, right? Now see what they asking, where sin x greater than cos x, asking where sin x is greater than cos x. Once you observe one interval, you identify. Here these two intersect at pi by 4 and 5 pi by 4 also. Pi by 4 and 5 pi by 4. Once you observe here to here, once you observe here, this is cos x, this is sin x. So here to here, pi by 4 to 5 pi by 4, sin x is greater than cos x, no? Here this is sin x, this is cos x. Means pi by 4 to 5 pi by 4, this sin x graph is greater than cos x graph. Means pi by 4 less than x less than 5 pi by 4. This is our simplest solution of the given equation, means inequality, right? Because here to here. But is there only one interval where sin x greater than cos x? No, many intervals are there. But how to find? With the help of periodicity. Periodic means what is the period of the sin x? 2 pi only. Cos x also 2 pi only. So that's why 2n pi plus pi by 4 less than x less than 2n pi plus pi by 4. So n belongs to integer length. Okay? Right. Next. Take the next problem. That is once you see, find the domain of the function f of x equal to root of sin x minus cos x plus root of 7x minus x square minus x. So all these problems are most important problems. So find the domain of the function f of x equal to root of sin x minus cos x plus root of 7x minus x square minus 6 they given. So here also there are two functions. We have to take the domain of this function and domain of this function, and common domain of these two if you take, then that is the domain of the required function you have to take. For that one, we know that under root value. So under root value is what? This one, sin x minus cos x greater than or equal to 0. That implies sin x greater than or equal to cos x, right? Now already this is what? Sin x greater than cos x only, no? But extra what is there? Equal to is there. So that's why here equal to unit. That's it. Okay, no? Sin x greater than or equal to cos x, right? This is greater than means this point also you will get these points pi by 4 and 5 pi by 4, right? So that's why equal to you taken. And now this one, this is also 7x minus x square minus 6 greater than or equal to 0. X square minus 7x plus 6 less than or equal to 0, right? Next x minus 1 x minus 6, so x square minus 7x plus 6 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 6. 1 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 1 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 6. Okay, no? Solve this one. So here equation number 1, if you take this as equation number 2, right? Now to take the common solution of these two, here only one condition is there, but here many conditions are there. So like first problem. So for that what we have to do? Where you will get the common values, all the intervals from this one you have to take. So for that take n equal to 0, pi by 4 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 5 pi by 4. Next n equal to 1. N equal to 1 means here 2 pi. 2 pi plus pi by 4 means 9 pi by 4 less than or equal to x. Here n equal to 1. 2 pi plus 5 pi by 4. So here 8 plus 5 means less than or equal to 13 pi by 4. Right? So 8 plus 1 9. Next 8 plus 5 13 pi by 4. Next suppose n equal to minus 1 if you take. N equal to minus 1 means minus 2 pi plus pi by 4 means minus 8 means minus 7 pi by 4 less than or equal to x. Next here if you take n equal to minus 1 minus 2 pi plus 5 pi by 4 means minus 8 plus 5 means minus 3 pi by 4 minus less than or equal to minus 3 pi by 4 like this I will take. Next these here this is 1 and this is 6. Next one is here pi by 4 you will get, right? This is 3.14 by 4. Next this is 1. Here 6 and here anywhere 5 pi by 4. Right? So n equal to 1 means 9 into 3 point means we won't get the intersection points. Here also you won't get the intersection points. So only this is useful. Now here to here this one and here to here is this one. Right? Now common area is here to here. So x belongs to closed interval 1 comma 5 pi by 4. This is our required solution. Understood? Because along this one with this one we won't get the common solutions and here also we won't get the common solution. Only with this one only we will get the common solution. So that's why we taken that only on real number line. And area common area you taken that is 1 to 5 pi by 4. This is our required solution of the given equation. So nothing but the domain of the given function. Next one, that is ninth one. Next problem you see this is also most important problem. That is find the domain of the function f of x equal to root of cos x minus 1 by 2 divided by root of 6 plus 35x minus 6x. Here also we know that this is in numerator and under root. Numerator and under root means cos x minus 1 by 2 greater than or equal to also possible because under root 0 in numerator real number only. But it is in denominator under root means 6 plus 35x minus 6x square what greater than 0. 0 not allows. Right? And now simplify these two. Here x condition, here x values, then common values, required solution. So for that cos x greater than or equal to 1 by 2. Cos x greater than or equal to 1 by 2 means we have to take the graph of cos x. So like this. So here this is y equal to 1 by 2. So here minus pi by 2 and here 3 pi by 2. So next to 2 pi like this you will get. Okay. Now here and here these two are intersecting. Right. So how to take this point and this point, these points? Here 1 is there, here 0 is there and here minus pi by 2 is there. So 1 by 2 means can you take minus pi by 3 because cos minus pi by 3 1 by 2 and can you take here pi by 3 cos pi by 3 also 1 by 2. So what is the simplest solution? Minus pi by 3 less than or equal to x less than or equal to pi by 3. Can you write? Now what is the generalized solution? General solution is 2n pi minus pi by 3 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 2n pi plus pi by 3. N belongs to integer. Next, if you simplify, this is x square. Multiply with minus, what you will get? 6x square minus 35x minus 6 less than 0, right? This for this one plus, for these two minus. Now 6x square minus 36x plus x minus 6 less than 0. Now 6x common, x minus 6 plus 1 common, x minus 6 equal to 0. Means here 6x plus 1 and x minus 6 here less than 0. So 6 common means x plus 1 by 6 and x minus 6 less than 0, right? 6 not less than 0. If you take these two on real number line, otherwise x minus alpha, x minus beta less than 0. How to take minus 1 by 6 less than x less than 6? In science skill method already we learned this one. Okay, no? See, for this problem, how many problems are means concepts are interlinked? Sine scheme method means inequality interlinking is there, and the total trigonometry interlinking is there, and functions interlinking is there. Okay, no? So like that, all these are what connected, interlinks are there. Now, so with this one, in this interval, how many common are there? That many you have to take on real number line. Okay, no? So for that one, see here n equal to 0 if you take, what you will get? Minus pi by 3 less than or equal to x less than or equal to pi by 3, right? N equal to 1 if you take, n equal to 1 means 2 pi means 5 pi by 3 less than or equal to x less than or equal to n equal to 1 6 pi plus 7 pi by 3. Next, n equal to minus 1 if you take, so one more condition you will get. Like this many conditions you will get. Okay, right. So here with this one, how many are common with this one? See here minus 1 by 6 here I will take, here anywhere 6 I will take. Okay, now minus pi by 3 here we have to take, no, because minus 3.14 by 3. Next, here pi by 3 I will take, anywhere pi by 3 means 3.14 1 point. Next 5 pi by 3, 5 pi by 3 means anywhere here you will get, correct? So 5 into 3.14 by 3 right here only. 7 pi by 3 means after this one, 7 pi by 3. Okay, no? Is there any common values with this one? You won't get. See here, first one is open interval, here to here you get. Next, here one solution is there, and here one solution is there. Okay, no? So with this one, these two only common solutions getting or not. Next values if you take, here you will get and there you will get. You won't get the common solutions. So that's why here only common solutions are. Means that is what x belongs to open interval minus 1 by 6 to closed interval pi by 3, right? Union here closed interval 5 pi by 3 to open interval 6. This is our required solution of the, or required domain of the given function. Okay, no? So like this if you do, then a proper answer you will get. Next problem, that is 10th one. Now see this problem, that is domain of the function, find the domain of the function f of x equal to log of sin x to the base e. So this is also one of the interested problem. Once you see, we know that log of x means x greater than 0, means one thing. So that is sin x greater than 0. Base a means a greater than 0, a not equal to 1. E is there, e equal to 2.7 means it is greater than 0, not equal to 1. Clear? So that's why it is greater than 0. But we know that maximum value of sin x is what? 1. So that's why it is greater than 0, means that implies 0 less than x less than or equal to 1. 0 less than sin x less than or equal to 1, because the maximum value of sin x is 1 only. Okay, now sin x belongs to, so therefore sin x belongs to open interval 0 to close interval 1. Then what about the x value asking? So if you take the graph, see, if you take the graph, very clarity means clearly you can identify what is the given option, means required option, right? So for that you take the graph of the sin x like this. So graphs are most important to do many problems easily. So that's why concentrate on graphs. So here this is 1, here it is 0. So sin x belongs to 0 to 1, open interval 0 to close interval 1. Solutions asking, means these solutions only, no? Like this, suppose if you take like this, all the some more values I am taking. This is pi, this is 2 pi, this is 3 pi, here it is 4 pi, right? Here minus pi, this is a minus 2 pi, minus 3 pi, minus 4 pi. Okay, no? Because sin pi, sin 0 0, sin pi, sin 2 pi, 3 pi, 4 pi, minus 2 pi, all these are zeros, so intersect x axis. And now when sin x belongs to closed interval 0 to 1 means positive area, this area you don't want, means this and this one and this one, like this. How many are there? Because domain of the sin x function is real number, many intervals are there. What are they? So domain is equal to, how to write, or x belongs to etc, many are there here, etc, like this. Here minus 4 pi, minus 3 pi, so this is one interval. Union, here also one more interval where this is positive, because greater than 0 means positive. Minus 2 pi, minus pi, union. Here one more interval is there, 0 to pi, union. Here 2 pi to 3 pi, union. Again here 4 pi, 2 pi to 3 pi. Next again 4 pi to 5 pi, etc. Like this, infinitely many intervals you will get. Okay, no? Here to here, and this is negative, and here to here, again 4 pi to 5 pi, like that. Okay, no? So this is these are the all the values. Domain of the means satisfies the given function, right? So this is about the what domain of the some different types of functions, which functions involving the trigonometric functions. Okay, no? So in that many problems in this we concentrated inequalities, how to solve that inequalities. Okay, no? Okay, right. So in the next video, so we will take one more type functions. So then we will solve the problems, means we will find the domain of the given function. Means this function chapter is it's take what lot of time, because most important interlinked to many chapters. So that's why with the details, in details we have to discuss. Okay, no? Okay, right. So don't forget to subscribe our channel DSR Maths IIT JEE. Okay, no? And click the like button also. Okay, no? Thank you.